All right, you're next. Smile to the camera.
Yo, what up? My name is Nylo Carter. I'm an R&B artist from Toronto. I've always tried to build a strong community around my art, but through the thousands of things that get posted online on social media every day, it can be mad difficult.
All right, now pose.
SoundsUnite is dedicated to music, and I'm learning and growing so much as an artist because of this app.
Okay, big smile here.
I found this one tutorial video called Best Practices for Emerging Artists. It's helping me navigate through the business side of the music industry while also helping me explore my own creativity in entirely new ways. I love this because I'm about to drop a new album, and with the guidance of this app, my life has gotten so much easier.
Give me another pose.
I love being able to see people engage in my music, and it's going to be so fun building my community on SoundsUnite.
All right, last one here, big smile.